Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to clear search history on Snapchat. So if you want to clear search history on Snapchat, you have to follow the steps which I am going to show you on Snapchat. So what you have to do, just first you have to open your Snapchat app. Okay, now open your Snapchat app. Now you will see like this. Now at the top corner of right side of your screen you will see your profile pic. You just click on it and here you will see setting option. Just click on the setting. So when you click on the setting, you have to scroll down and here you will see clear data. Okay, now click on the clear data. So when you click on the clear data, here you will see clear search history. Now click on it and here you will see clear search history. This will clear your search query history. Now if you want to delete it, just click on clear. Okay, now like this you can clear search history or delete search history in Snapchat. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.